vlog and thank you for tuning in. Today is the day that I am taking delivery of the wrecked Lamborghini Super Trofeo that we're gonna be completely rebuilding right here. First, before Shane gets here, I have to move Phoenix. This is gonna be the new home.
Oh my God, it's so loud. You want me to stand back here? That's cool, all right.
What's up?
Hi. How are you?
Good. I'm excited.
Yeah?
Very.
Are we gonna start tonight?
We're gonna see. We're gonna lay everything out. We got a car that we're trying to get done in one day for LS Fest.
Let's do an all-nighter.
You down? I'm down if you're down. Let's do it. My life has been all-nighters anyway, so. Holy shit.
How come it's such a McLaren on it? I thought we were getting a Lamborghini.
You guys, I'm so excited right now. You're good. Hey. Just confetti bursts out as the door goes down.
Oh shit, we forgot the car. It's the beginning of the Lamborghini.
Ooh, the doors are on too?
The look on both their faces is like, what is Amelia getting us into right now?
No, it's called disgust.
The funnier thing is, first we got Sandy working on LS's, and now we got Sandy working on Lamborghinis. One day we'll do a Ford on the channel.
I feel like they left you a lot of responsibility.
You guys are doing great. Lamborghini on pallet, everyone.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do body work and then suspension work.
So nose in?
That's what I'm thinking, yeah. Especially if we're gonna do fuel cell, it'll be easier to get to. You're doing great. Later. We'll see you after LS Fest.
Cool car.
Thank you. Thanks, man.
Cool, just randomly got a Lamborghini.
Brayden started bringing some of the body work right now. We have front bumper here and we have rear bumper here. This looks so good. And we got a Lamborghini right there. You guys, I never thought I'd have my own shop and my own Lamborghini in it. This is nuts. And just so you know, the idea of this is that I'm building myself a practice car. I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take the year as a test and development year. So I'm building my own practice car, or rebuilding I should say, so that I have a car that I can practice on throughout the year at the racetrack. That way for next year when I actually compete, I'm gonna be ready and I'm gonna be very competitive. I'm within the time window right now, but I've only had 2-3 days in the car. So I just want a lot more seat time before going into the season.
My buddy has a Grand National. His is really quick. He drag races it.
Really? I want to see this. I love the front ends of those cars so much. This one's just like a G-Body, like pre-GNX, but I want to buy a front clip of a Grand National to put on my car, just to give that extra like mean look to it.
Do it.
You want to see the world's fastest twin turbo C8 Corvette?
Hell yeah.
Wait, give me a second, I'll bring it around.
You totally ruined that.
I would twin turbo the Lambo just like this. I'm gonna say it's the world's fastest till someone takes that from me. Fuel Tech just actually beat the highest horsepower number with a 1075, so I'm eager to see how they do at the drag strip. You wanna do the world's fastest Lamborghini?
Yeah.
No, you
Copy
don't.
some of this, put a blown diffuser so it creates downforce.
Yeah.
There we go.
So what's next for this?
Hopefully put her in the 8s. We're gonna keep doing some like tuning tricks to see if we can get her happy with the shifting, because that's what we were limited at last.
What was the top speed you hit at the end?
Top speed I hit was 144. I think on that pass, do you remember I did like a 143 or something?
Yeah, I think your top speed of all your passes was like 145.
She hooked really well. Again, like power wasn't our problem. It was really just shifting, because the car wouldn't want to shift after a certain point. There's too much power for her, because there'd be times where I'd be going, I'd shift and it wouldn't shift. So it's just playing with tricking the computer, since you can't hack them yet, and try to trick it enough to where it pulls timing enough of it fast enough before the shifts. I'm thinking we go back for 8 soon.
We could put an LS in the Lamborghini with some twin turbos.
I think someone's already done it before, and I think that someone is displaying his car at my booth at LS Fest.
I think he did it twice now, and now his car's off-road Lamborghini.
Yeah, everyone keeps asking what the plan is, and honestly, I'm gonna try to start making her legal for NHRA, so for actual events, I can run her and take her to more events. Right now, what I'm working on is trying to figure out a way to do a 6-point cage in this car. I also need to get a parachute, a window net, and more her spurs.
Later that same evening.
Well, thanks for dropping this off.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm really excited to see this get put back together. Pleasure doing business with you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
This trailer goes one day. All right, it is time to load up the Grim Regal, and Phoenix so that we can leave first thing in the morning for LS Fest. Oh, she rips! Boys are ready with the trailers? We're gonna load up each car and get out of here. Yeah, LS Fest, let's go! This car is so loud that even if I start her on a cold start with the windows up, it hurts my ears. Once she warms up a little and she stops trying to warm up the cats, she gets really quiet. This was the trailer we took her home after we broke the world record, boys. After this event, put the bumper back on.
Oh shit, you're growing up.
Next you're gonna say I want to put mufflers on it or some bullshit.
Ew.
It has mufflers, turbo mufflers.
Literally.
That cam sounds sick though.
Does it sound more rowdy or less rowdy?
I think it says more rowdy.
It's not there yet. It's still becoming
It's
rowdy.
not even tuned yet.
It's becoming rowdy.
Give her gas while slipping the clutch, while using my right hand as the brake, because if I came off the gas, she would stall. So I'm slipping the clutch and go slow, but also using the handbrake, while also using my left arm on a manual steering wheel, trying to turn the car as like I'm modulating with brake. That wasn't easy. Alright you guys, well I just got back. It is currently 2 o'clock, the morning of LS Fest, and this journey this past week has been absolutely insane. And the fact that we were able to bring the GBody there and running it's unbelievable. I have to give a huge thank you to Sandy. None of this would be possible without Sandy. I have to give Sandy a huge thank you for everything. Not only this build, but the C8 with everything. Sandy is a legend, and I'm so incredibly thankful to have him on my team. I'm also extremely grateful to bring Dan on board. He's so awesome. Also, Sean and Paige, thank you guys all for just being a part of this journey with me. I can't believe that today I took delivery of my first Lamborghini. That's gonna be my practice car. Thank you, Shane. Thank you, S3stronics. I'm really excited to build this, and I'm even more excited to get seat time in her. None of this would be possible without my team, and I can't believe where I am today. I still freak out over the shop and to see these cars, and GBody looks so good, and she sounds so badass. I'm so excited to show her to you guys in person. Also, I did everything I possibly could in order to ensure that I will be able to drag race at this event. I even got my NHRA license. It's pretty crazy. Like in the past 2 months, I've gotten my SCCA full racing competition license. I've gotten my NHRA license. It's freaking crazy, man. But there is the chance though that the GBody doesn't pass tech. She needs a driveline hoop. She still needs a window net. The wiring's kind of jank inside. She needs a tune and probably a lot more that I'm just spacing on right now because it's super late. We're gonna see what happens. I've always wanted to go to LS Fest, so this is kind of a big deal for me. Not only going, but having a crazy booth next to Holly and Hoonigan. And also, I finally took delivery of the wrecked Lamborghini Super Trofeo, and now that Mimi is almost finished, there's still some work I want to do. I kind of want to relocate the turbos and kind of do the peaker setup. You guys seem to love that in the video, and I asked for your thoughts in the last one in the comments. There'll be a few projects here or there. It'd be cool to bring the whole fleet to the drag strip. I'm talking Pronda, I'm talking Mimi, I'm talking Phoenix, maybe even Envy. We could bring Sandy's F-150 out. Like, I just want to bring the whole fleet. I think that'd be a lot of fun. Maybe even the Super Trofeo, but I think coming up, now that the larger side of projects are done, we can work on little things in the background. We'll be getting this wrecked Lamborghini rebuilt. So I'm excited for that process to start. But either way, I need to get to bed. It's currently 2 o'clock in the morning, the day of LS Fest. Thank God I love what I do. Alrighty, crew. We out here with love. Bye. Yeah, I think we set off an alarm. Are you guys hearing that ringing too?
What?
This thing's too much fun.